Welcome to Motors Sports Mania, your go-to channel for everything automotive, where we bring you the latest updates, expert reviews, and in-depth insights on the world's most exciting vehicles. Whether it's high-performance sports cars or rugged utility vehicles, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases in the pickup truck segment, the 2026 Toyota Hilux. Known for its unmatched reliability, off-road prowess, and no-nonsense utility, the Hilux has long been a favorite across continents. With the 2026 model, Toyota has taken a bold step forward, introducing new technology, refined design, and stronger performance while staying true to its tough and dependable roots. The 2026 Toyota Hilux arrives with a design language that's more aggressive, modern, and functional than ever before. The exterior has been significantly refreshed with a larger, more prominent grille, sleeker LED headlamps, and a bolder front bumper that enhances its muscular look. The new body lines are sharper and more aerodynamic, helping improve both performance and fuel efficiency. Toyota has clearly aimed to create a truck that not only performs well but also stands out with road presence. The tailgate now features a more sculpted finish and integrated lighting, while the bed offers more tie-down points and enhanced durability for heavy-duty usage. Beneath the surface, the 2026 Hilux gets a powerful upgrade. The engine lineup now includes a new 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine producing up to 220 horsepower and an impressive 500 Nm of torque, ensuring it can handle tough terrain and heavy loads with ease. This engine is mated to an improved 6-speed automatic transmission, delivering smoother shifts and better fuel economy. Additionally, Toyota has introduced a mild hybrid system for certain variants, adding electric motor assistance during acceleration and reducing emissions. This makes the new Hilux not only stronger but also more efficient and environmentally conscious. When it comes to off-road performance, the 2026 Hilux continues to set the benchmark. It features an upgraded suspension setup with revised shock absorbers, improved damping, and enhanced articulation for more confident handling in rugged environments. Ground clearance has been slightly raised, and Toyota has improved the approach and departure angles for better capability on steep inclines and rough trails. Select models come equipped with a rear differential lock, hill descent control, and a multi-terrain drive mode selector that automatically adjusts throttle and traction settings based on the terrain, be it mud, sand, snow, or rock. Inside the cabin, the new Hilux has taken a huge leap forward in comfort, technology, and design. The interior now feels more premium, with soft-touch materials, a refined dashboard layout, and supportive seating. Toyota has incorporated a larger 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless smartphone charging. The infotainment interface is more responsive and user-friendly, allowing easy access to navigation, music, and vehicle settings. The instrument cluster now includes a customizable digital display that provides real-time data on fuel economy, off-road performance, and system diagnostics. In terms of practicality, the 2026 Hilux continues to offer multiple cab options including single, extra, and double cab variants to meet various lifestyle and business needs. Storage spaces have been optimized within the cabin with more usable compartments, cup holders, and under-seat storage. Rear seats in the double cab variant are now more spacious, making long journeys more comfortable for passengers. The bed remains one of the toughest in its class and now includes options for a factory-installed bed liner and 12V power outlet, enhancing its utility for both recreational and work purposes. Safety has been a major area of improvement for the 2026 Toyota Hilux. The truck now comes with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, an advanced suite of driver assistance features. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The chassis has also been reinforced for better crash protection, and multiple airbags along with electronic stability control and traction control systems are standard across all variants. Whether used in urban settings or on rough trails, the new Hilux ensures occupants stay safe and secure. One of the key highlights of the 2026 model is its refined on-road behavior. While the Hilux has always been a strong performer off the beaten path, the new generation offers a significantly more composed and comfortable ride on city roads and highways. cabin insulation has been improved to reduce wind and engine noise, while the suspension tuning now offers a better balance between ruggedness and everyday drivability. This makes the new Hilux more versatile than ever, suitable not just for work and adventure but also for daily commuting and long-distance travel. Another area where the 2026 Hilux stands out is its commitment to customization and accessories. Toyota offers a wide range of factory and dealer-installed options including off-road bumpers, snorkels, roof racks, side steps, winches, and lighting upgrades. This makes it easy for buyers to configure the truck to match their personal style and functional needs. Whether you're planning to turn your Hilux into an overland rig or need it as a heavy-duty workhorse, there are customization options to suit every purpose. In terms of technology, Toyota has ensured the new Hilux stays ahead of the curve. The infotainment system now supports over-the-air updates, meaning features and functionality can be improved even after purchase. There is also a companion mobile app that allows owners to remotely start the engine, check vehicle diagnostics, and even track location, adding a layer of convenience and security. The 2026 Toyota Hilux is a perfect blend of old-school toughness and new-age sophistication. It continues to be the go-to choice for those who need a reliable, powerful, and capable pickup, while also catering to modern demands for comfort, connectivity, and safety. Whether you're tackling remote trails, hauling heavy loads, or simply driving around the city, this truck does it all with confidence and character. With its bold new design, refined interiors, powerful engine options, and advanced tech features, the Hilux has once again proven why it remains a global favorite in the pickup segment. Thank you for watching our in-depth look at the 2026 Toyota Hilux. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with more expert reviews, test drives, and automotive insights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This is Motors Sports Mania, and we'll see you in the next